Kate, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. Real quick before I talk about what this video is about, look at this. So my LED lights kind of fell off my wall. They actually did that 2 nights ago, and then I put them back, and then they fell off again last night. And I think it has something to do with like the air pressure outside going down or something. I'm not really sure. Or maybe because my walls are textured and it doesn't stick very well. But it came with 2 little wheels of LED lights, and I still have one of them staying up. But they were fun while they lasted. Anyways, today's basically about the new year. So it's 2020. Super excited for that. That's the year I graduate. And I'm just going to talk about like my different resolutions and my plans for this year. January, I'm going to go to a little camp with my lighthouse group, basically like this leadership team that I'm a part of. I actually have a vlog from the last one we went to. It was Camp Copus last time. It's a different camp this time, but if you search up katebouis Camp Copus vlog, that was like my second video. We do like photo shoots every month, but I'm not going to talk about those because they're not like huge life events. You know, they're monthly. They're really fun, but they're not very big, significant. In 2020, this is what I want to accomplish kind of stuff, you know? Spring break, I don't know if I have anything. So junior year, we were planning on doing like a road trip to Los Angeles during spring break. Now we moved that to the summer. I don't even know if it's going to happen. It's definitely not going to happen during spring break, I don't think, because that's in like 2 months and we haven't planned anything for it, but that would be so much fun. So May, I am graduating high school. In June, I have a senior trip to Australia. That's gonna be super fun. I'm like really excited for that. That vlog is gonna be popping. Another thing for May is jambalaya. I really wanna do that. It might happen, it might not, but that's basically a music festival in Dallas and in somewhere else in Texas. I don't know, they have different dates, but I wanna go to the one in Dallas and it would be really fun. If anybody wants to start a GoFundMe for jambalaya tickets, I'm not gonna say no. Just throwing that out there. Australia. Maybe LA, might go to a cabin with some of my friends in the beginning of June. Then it comes August, and that's whenever I'm gonna start college, so I actually don't know where I'm going yet. I'm gonna make so many videos. I'm gonna make a video like revealing where I got in and then revealing where I'm actually gonna go. You know, there's 2 videos because you apply to multiple colleges. So one video is gonna be like, oh my gosh, did I get into this college? And then the next one's gonna be like, oh my gosh, am I actually going to decide to go to this college? I'm planning on doing both of those, but I've got some decisions back, but I'm not gonna talk about any of them right now because I'm saving that all for that video. Anyways, I'm gonna be going to college in like August, and after that I don't have any plans because I don't really know what my life is going to look like. I don't know where I'm gonna go. If I go somewhere like LA for college, like I applied to UCLA, if I end up going there, then I would do stuff specific to that area and I'd plan it after I know what's going on. So much for organism. Oof. I threw it and then I instantly regretted it, but no, my bullet journal is okay. So much for organization because you really don't know. Next I'm going to talk about some stuff I learned in 2019, I guess, and then we can go on to resolutions. Some things I learned in 2019. Time management. I've honestly always been kind of okay with time management. There's a hair flying around. Time management. Yeah, I've always kind of known what I need to get done, and I always get it done on time. In 2019, I've had so many different responsibilities and just things taking up my time that I've really learned how to step back and organize everything into like a schedule and get stuff done whenever I need them to be done without stressing about it. Because before I would do it and then I'd be like freaked out about it the whole time because I procrastinated, and 2019 I kind of stopped doing that, but that's still something that I'm going to carry over to 2020. Another thing I learned in 2019 is style, kind of. I don't know, I think my makeup skills really improved last year. I've also started wearing jewelry sometimes, and I don't know, I just like my clothes more this last year than I did before. I also found more like self-expression because in March, forget about that part, but in June I dyed my hair pink. And then, well, I did like pink highlights and tips and stuff, right? Here's the picture. And then November I dyed it brown. Here's the picture with the blue for a minute. That faded pretty quickly, but I kind of learned just how to be more unique. But yeah, just figuring out more what I appreciate on myself, I guess, what I want to look like, or just trying out new things with my looks because it's temporary and it's fun. I kind of learned how to like realize whenever you're actually appreciated and whenever they don't really want you around anymore. That was a hard lesson, but it's better to know it than not. I started YouTube in 2019. That was exciting. So I guess I learned how to YouTube. I did more dancing. but I'm clearly not a professional still because I still fell. I think I learned to be more comfortable in my own skin. I don't know, I keep leaning on this door, it's annoying me. Because I've always been crazy, but I've toned it down more in the last few years. And now I'm just finding that nice balance of like, I don't worry about what you think, but I also know I'm not being too insane to the point where like everybody hates me, you know? I've also figured out a lot more about my future last year. I figured out where I wanted to apply to colleges. I applied to colleges. I kind of figured out what I wanted my career to be, my major. Now for my resolutions for 2020. I've already set up my bullet journal January through June so far, and I'm still working on finishing. So I just finished, let's see. So you know how I got that Polaroid printer? I put it in my like haul video or whatever. So I'm going to print out my best photos from each month and put them on this page. This is the picture wall, and then this is gonna be for July, and we're gonna keep going. But for my resolutions, I have 20 for 2020, and not all of them are great. Not all of them have been kept so far. It is January 2nd, I've already broken like the main ones. Because in my mind, I valued happiness. So it's like I went to the movies and then I ate candy, even though I wanted to eat healthy. And it's like, well, I'm happy. I'm not overeating. It's just like a little treat. It's fine. And then the same thing for working out. I wanted to work out a lot and I haven't yet. And I don't plan on doing that today because I have so much makeup on. I don't want to sweat it off. So I really need to find some motivation to actually follow my resolutions. But like in my mind, I set these resolutions and I don't have to follow them from day one. I'll just start. Each day is gonna be a new opportunity to start, and if I take that opportunity, we can just keep going from there. Like it doesn't have to be some permanent construct in our mind that, oh, January 1st, you do it or like you're done, okay? Like no, even if you miss your resolution on the first day or on the second day, you can still pick it up the next day and keep going. It doesn't, the day itself, like January 15th, those words, they literally mean nothing. New Year's resolutions. Number 1 is to graduate valedictorian, so that's scary. Number 2 is to work out 6 days a week. Like I said, I'm not really sure how well, but once I get started, it'll be good. I had a really good workout routine last year, and I'm gonna keep that. And once I start getting motivated to work out, then it'll be fine. Number 3 is stretch 6 days a week. That typically goes hand in hand with working out. I stretch as a cool down. Number 4 is to eat healthy, but in parentheses I put limit junk food. That doesn't mean cut it off completely, just not as much as I normally do, which I'm doing pretty good on that actually. Number 5 is to keep the healthy relationships and to build new ones. So obviously whenever I go to college, I'm gonna make new friends, and I want to build those into healthy friendships while also keeping my high school like close friends part of my life as well. 6 is to work on my laugh and my walk. So my laugh has gotten better this last year. That was actually a resolution for the year before that too. But it's been kind of annoying. Like I just laugh really loudly and kind of ugly. Like I have a Snapchat video. I'll just insert it right here. That was my laugh like December 2018, okay? We worked on it a little. I'm gonna keep working on it so that it's like cute and not like And my walk, I walk, well first of all I pronate, which I have orthotics that I normally don't wear. So maybe I should work on that. But also like my feet, you're walking, I kind of go like that. So like walking with your toes turned outwards. And I've been working on that since like this summer. So it's gotten better as well, but it's still an effort because it's not as easy as walking with my feet like pointed right in front of me. I have to make a constant effort to think about that. I used to walk on my toes until I was like 12. So I think that probably messed with my natural walking facilities. That might be part of the reason I can't walk normal still. Number 7 is to maintain a positive mindset about the future because, you know, it's kind of worrisome, but just to keep positivity, not worry as much and just be optimistic about what the future has in store for you. And if something doesn't work out, instead of being crushed by it, see it as an opportunity for growth, maybe. Number 8 is not to worry about other people's opinions. 9 is to get work done ahead of time, no procrastination. So I already talked about those kind of in the What I Learned in 2019. I just put them on as resolutions so that I can keep continuing those practices 2020. Number 10, get into a good college. That's for January through May. And succeed, June through December. So that's very vague and ambiguous. Just succeed. 11 is get good sleep because I am sleep deprived about 80% of the time, and I've done pretty good with this resolution so far, but like also I'm not in school and I've been sleeping in until like 10 a.m. every single day. 12 is to continue being active on social media, obviously like posting my YouTube videos and all that. 13 is to plan, so that's plan things with friends and plan my future. I want to do a bunch of fun stuff with my friends, and I also want to keep in mind what I want my future to look like and work towards that every day if possible. Number 14 is to stay neat and organized, so part of that is to do my village journal. It's a method of organization. Then also have my planner, and then there's just different little things here and there I need to organize, like my Pinterest, for example. My boards are all over the place, and I really want to organize that. I've been working on organizing that since like 2016. See, I can talk really fast whenever I want to. It's a gift and a curse. 15 is to prioritize self-care. So I've actually burned, I have hiccups. I've burned a candle every single day since New Year's Eve, so that's 3 days. Right now we have this wood wick one going. Self-care could be taking a bath, it could be getting extra sleep. I've done that. I have taken a nap both today and yesterday, so every day of 2020 so far. I'm a mess. 16 is to be nicer and more patient. 17 is to keep my room clean and to keep my skincare routine that I just started like late December, and hopefully my skin will clear up. 18 is to save money, because I'm going to college. I'm really going to need a good amount of money saved up beforehand. You know what I'm saying? Number 19 is continue the photo shoots and dance shoots that we've been having. And then number 20, this one is kind of hard to put into words. It's more of an idea. It's basically to wake up every day and like be my best. Like, I mean, inside, sure, as well, but like outside to just take care of myself really well, because there are some days I just wake up and I stay in sweats the whole day. And I mean, I guess that's fine. There's nothing wrong with sweats, but whenever I'm like just staying in that, and like what feels like pajamas all day, I'm not productive, I'm not motivated, I feel lazy, I want to sleep all day. So the goal is just kind of to get up and to make myself look like really nice. Not really nice all the time, and like no makeup is fine. But I want to just be in clothes that make me feel productive and to just feel like really clean, and that could include like jewelry and stuff, and just to feel really put together, I guess. It's a weird idea kind of to put into words, but I feel like you might get what I'm saying. Just to take care of myself really well each day so that no day feels like I wasted it. So that is my 2020 resolutions, my 2019 what I learned, and my 2020 goals and plans. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, kind of all over the place. I don't know if you like these just like me standing here and talking videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like down below. Check out my other videos if you like this one, because some of them are kind of similar. We've got vlogs, we've got lifestyle videos, we got these just sit down and talk ones. It's all over the place. So subscribe if you haven't already, if you want to. I'll see you this Wednesday with a weekly vlog. Bye.
1 to 2, step 3, step 4, she's everywhere.